Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, hope you all are fine. I am your science teacher, Mrs. Hina Javed. Dear students, today we are going to discuss about force, unit number 7, page number 45 and 46. We will discuss about work, what is work from page number 45, what is energy from page number 45, forms of energy from page number 45 and 46. What is work? What is work? If we want to move something, we push or pull it. When an object is moved some distance, we call it work. What is work? If we want to move something, we push or pull it. You can see here in this diagram there are some examples of pushing and pulling. They are doing different types of work. So if we want to move something, we push or pull it. When an object is moved some distance, we call it work. What is work? If we want to move something, we push or pull it. When an object is moved some distance, we call it work. In this diagram, you can see there are different types of examples of work. They are doing different works. So, pushing or pulling of an object is called work. What is energy? The force which we need to do work is called energy. What is energy? The force which we need to do work is called energy. Here you can see one boy is pulling chair and another boy is pushing bookshelf. They both are doing work. They need force. The force which we need to do work is called energy. What is energy? As you know, dear students, if we want to move something like here, we push or pull. When an object is moved some distance, we call it work. It means they both are doing work. Work is done when a push or pull makes something move. When we do work, we need a force. The force which we need to do work is called energy. So what is energy? The force which we need to do work is called energy. Dear students, we have discussed forms of energy. Now we are recalling forms of energy. There are different types, or we can say forms of energy, like solar energy, heat energy, electrical energy, light energy, and we have discussed these all types of energy. Solar energy. What is solar energy? Solar energy is simply the light and heat that come from the sun, as you can see in this diagram. What is solar energy? Solar energy is simply the light and heat that comes from the sun. Energy from the sun makes plant grow. And what are the uses of solar energy? Is solar energy useful for us, for all living things, or not? Yes, solar energy or energy from the sun makes plants grow. He helps in plants growing process. You know, dear students, plants make their own food by the help of suns, by the help of solar energy. That process is called photosynthesis. So energy from the sun makes plants grow. Plants use the sun's energy to make their food, and that process is called photosynthesis. This form of energy is called solar energy. When we eat fruits and vegetables, we get energy from them. So energy transferred from plant to other living things. It means solar energy makes plants grow. They help for making food for plants. Without sun's energy, plants cannot make their own food. So what is solar energy? Energy that comes from the sun is called solar energy. Solar energy is simply the light and heat that come from the sun. What is heat energy? Heat energy is the results of the movement of tiny particles called atoms, molecules or ions in different forms of liquid like solid, liquid and gases. Heat energy can be transferred from one object to another object. The transfer or flow due to the difference in temperature between two objects is called heat. Heat energy comes from burning things such as wood, coal, gas, oil, etc. You can see here some images. Heat from steam moves the steam pot. You can see here. What is heat energy? Heat energy comes from burning things like wood, coal, gas, oil. Heat can do work like this steam engine. It can make things move like a steamboat. A steamboat can move from the steam of heat. Electrical energy. What is electrical energy? Electrical energy is a form of energy resulting from the flow of electric charge. Energy is the ability to do work or apply force to move an object. In this case of electrical energy, the force is electrical attraction or repulsion between charged particles. What is electrical energy? Electrical energy is made up in power station. You can see here image of a power station. It can make things move. Electrical energy can make things move. It is used to move fan, this bulb, electrical energy, washing machine. These all things can be moved by the help of electrical energy. So electrical energy is made in power station. You can see an image of power station here. It is used for different purposes like moving fan, for this lighting this bulb, for moving washing machine. These all things required electrical energy. What is light energy? What is light energy? Light energy is a kind of kinetic energy with the ability to make types of light visible to human eyes. Light energy comes from the sun. It also comes from burning things, bulb, lamp, candles, giving out light. Light travels in the form of wave when it travels. Light energy, you can see here. Light energy, light is energy, we can see. It moves from place to place in waves. It comes in many colors. All the colors of light put together make white light. What is light energy? Light energy comes from the sun. It also comes from burning things like candles, bulbs, lamps that gives out light. Okay students, you watch and listen this video very carefully. Take care. Allah Hafiz.